Hello everyone, my name is Jose Saul Bermúdez, and the topic which I wanna develop is syllable onset. What is a syllable? First of all, it's the basic unit of speech studied in both the phonetic and phonological levels of analysis. A syllable must contain a vowel or a vowel-like sound, including diphthongs, and we have the simple structure of syllable, which is onset, the one that we are going to talk, rain, nucleus, coda, and nucleus is divided for vowels and coda for consonants, and onset for consonants too. I have a definition of syllables onset. An onset is the part of the syllable that precedes the vowel of the syllable. The onset and the coda are consonants or consonant clusters. They appear at the beginning and the end of the syllable respectively. A word may begin with a vowel, any vowel except U. It may begin with one consonant, any consonant except N and Z. It may begin with two or more phonemes together. They are called consonant clusters. And finally, we have examples, which is for the word sit and the onset S. For speed, SP, split for SPL, and spoil for SP, and pie for P. The ones we have here are the onset, which is you can see that they are the only one, the first ones, the words. So that's onset syllables, guys. Thank you so much.